We will continue to build event app in next videos. We will start to configure all backend functions. If you liked this video, please like button. I would like to see you in our flutterflow community, so don't forget to subscribe to channel. I also made the project clonable, so you can clone it with the link on description, and you can also support me with this way. You will access to all pages what we built until now. I also leave links on description which you can contact with me on Telegram or Discord. I share there what I am building on flutterflow nowadays, make pools and ask your advice about what we can make together on flutterflow. I wanna show your amazing works with our community and you can give inspiration for everyone. Your video must be less than 2 minutes and you must upload it to Discord channel of our community. The deadline is 15 August for now, but we can extend it if you want. Comment below about what you think. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.